Guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a live demonstration on how to use your HP Tuners device. So as we've instructed in previous videos, you simply want to connect the micro USB into the HP Tuners dongle. This happens to be a 3rd generation CTS-V, so we're simply going to locate the vehicle's OBD2 port, which is down here. We're going to plug it in. We're then going to take our USB end of this cable. We are going to plug this into our laptop. I'm not going to start this particular vehicle, but I'm going to show you how to use the features. So we're simply going to put the vehicle in accessory mode, and we are going to just simply hit our start scanning button. So you can see the vehicle is providing feedback currently, and normally we'd see a lot more data being populated, but because the vehicle is currently off, we're only going to see so much. And normally at this point, we'd either go for a drive, we would be trying to diagnose, say, a potential issue with our vehicle, etc. But once we are done logging our vehicle, we would simply come up here to this stop scanning icon, and this is going to stop our log. And then from here, we can check our diagnostic and trouble codes, or say check engine lights. And we would simply come over here and click read DTCs. So this would tell you any and all pertinent codes that are located within the vehicle. You have the option of clearing them as well with this function right here. And guys, once again, all of these logs, once you stop recording, will be recorded automatically on your computer under the HP Tuners logs. So that's going to conclude this tutorial on how to use the HP Tuners device.